Here are 5 reasons why cycling is the best way for commuting in an urban environment. 1. A bicycle means freedom. The invention of the bike changed the world forever. Having a bike and knowing how to use it makes you able to reach a lot larger area of a city in under 20 minutes. Cycling is about 3 times faster than walking and gives you independence from public transportation. But if working or studying in a near town, you can use both and shorten the time of travel. A combination of bike and public transportation can really optimize the commute and allow you to exercise and get time for reading or studying. 2. It is the least expensive mean of transport in cities. It is often easy to find a bike for free from a friend that is not using it, or buy a used one for 50 to 100 euros. This is the cost of a monthly ticket in many cities in Europe. With little maintenance, that bike can serve you for years and save you hundreds in bus tickets or thousands in car costs. It is much easier to find a place to park your bike than it is for a car, and it does not cost anything. 3. It is often the fastest way to commute in the city. European cities, for instance, are old and not planned with highways and fast roads in the center. In order to satisfy the need for parking, most of the streets in the centers are now one-way streets with parking in the other lane, making it even harder to move around by car. Bikes, however, are mostly allowed to go both ways, even on one-way streets. Cities improve bikeways and make new lanes for universities, tech companies and schools at a high pace, making it even easier and safer to reach those as a student, employee, or a parent. 4. It is the most environmentally friendly way of traveling short distances, and the least noise polluting too. Many people suffer from air pollution in cities, as it causes stress and lung problems. Some new studies link car tires to air pollution as more dangerous than exhaust fumes. Cars are also loud, spacey, and in most cases used by only one person. They also require more expensive infrastructure, taking up way more space. Bikes, on the other hand, make virtually no noise, do not burn fossil fuels, require fewer resources for production and maintenance, and can easily fit in the basement or take 10 times less space on the street than an average modern car. 5. It is the healthiest way of commuting. Cycling to work or school gives often just the right amount of exercise per day that one needs to stay healthy. Even only 20 minutes a day has a positive effect on heart health, reduces the risk of arthritis and some cancers, and also depression. Commuting by bike is a great solution for people who do not find time to otherwise exercise, which helps improve blood pressure and sleep. It is also a great way to explore the new city and remember the streets for new students and immigrants. The thought of cycling in winter scares a lot of inexperienced riders, but it is in fact a great way to strengthen the immune system and develop resistance to cold weather. Check out our other videos on how to find a bike that fits you and survive cycling in winter.